Hello, everyone. Nature is always wonderful in its own way, even when it gets angry. Today, let's witness how Mother Nature expresses her intense emotions through these unbelievable moments captured on camera. Amazing things keep happening, and now, beautiful ice dam in Norway is leaving us in awe. The villagers of Grudnier, Switzerland, will always remember the day the strange mudslide waters swept through. A surprising and unbelievable natural sight. When you plan for a stroll, but nature switches to chase mode, now you know what you must do. Oh my gosh, the floodwaters didn't come alone. They brought an entire army of floating debris, turning the scene into a chaotic parade. The filmmaker's tense voice completely contrasts with the slow, calm movement of the avalanche. Hope everything turns out okay. The plane struggled to land amid strong winds at Heathrow Airport, a true testament to the incredible skill of its pilots. Even the road was an unfortunate victim of the flood, an incident that emphasized the importance of building solid infrastructure and preparing for natural disasters. The washed-out dock at Inks Lake, Texas, creates a heartbreaking scene, reminding us of the strength of nature and the helplessness of humans in the face of the fury of floodwaters. Water overflowed the dam on the Ottauquechee River in Quechee, Hartford, causing a peaceful scene to suddenly turn into chaos. Water rushed over an Arizona dam after heavy rain and melting snow, creating a tense scene as the powerful current threatened to disrupt everything in its path. brown water flows over Smallwood Dam, and a bulldozer pushes rocks down to stem the flow, creating a tense moment. Nature challenges all efforts to prevent it. Fears that a dam in East Tennessee would fail due to major flooding have been allayed. This is a reminder of the power of storms and the importance of preparing for natural disasters. Heavy rain has caused flooding in Sacramento, California. Are other regions better prepared to deal with this situation? Leave your comments. Mother Nature demonstrates her unstoppable power when everything becomes meaningless before the sudden and powerful changes of heaven and earth. During a flood warning, it is extremely important to stay away from flooded roads. Please pay attention. A mail delivery truck driver was caught in a flood in Colorado Springs, a stressful situation as he faced raging water. Please give him advice in this situation. Comment now. This container is probably participating in a reluctant boat racing competition organized by nature without anyone registering in advance. The scene is like an unexpected vacation day in the heart of the city, only lacking the boating and swimming. Today is definitely not a good time to go outside for a workout.
Whoa, it's bright now. Whoa, it's foggy. Now the wind's going bad. Look at this, guys. Now the wind is going.
It seems like his live stream is lacking a bit of excitement. But don't worry, nature will bring a surprise and some drama.
That thing hit like right next to me. Woo, that was fun.
Tornada din Jalomița sau ce e aici?
Nature once again surprises everyone with a strange tornado tower appearing in rural Romania. It arrives quietly, not loud like a storm or flood. Don't let the silence fool you. It can sweep away everything, from debris to even your new shoes.
Man, it's on the You're not gonna into it.
Friend, we're gonna die. I love you. I love you.
Tornado spins fiercely. Not a special effect, but the real power of nature.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Wow. A stunning moment from the ocean. This scene looks like something straight out of a dream that everyone would want to witness at least once. Oh no, where are you all heading? Stay calm, everyone. Divers at Gold Coast Seaway had an unforgettable day facing a lion's mane jellyfish up close. An incredibly rare and meaningful experience. Texas residents just witnessed history. SpaceX's Starship construction kicked off. Another giant leap in space technology. The spinning ice disk on the main river looks like it's from another planet. What do you think about this bizarre phenomenon? Drop your thoughts in the comments. It feels like everything around is changing, and the driver can only pray in that moment.
Please, Lord, keep me on the ground. Holy, please, Lord. Holy.
hard to believe that in just a few seconds, the street suddenly turned into a raging river. The sky suddenly switched to clearance mode, releasing a hailstorm that caught everyone off guard. After this storm, the owner of this car will definitely have to spend a significant amount on repairs. The rain may stop, but the costs never stop rising. Have you ever let your car endure a situation like this? If so, don't hesitate to leave a comment with the number 1 to share with us. This job must be incredibly satisfying, a perfect way to relieve stress.
Can you believe that? I've never, ever seen anything like that.
No, 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 no!
Driving through floodwaters, not a good idea. A lifelong lesson on why you should never challenge nature. Floodwaters swept away multiple cars in Dinant, Belgium, an unexpected and tragic scene. A day the locals won't soon forget.
C'est la cata, je sais pas comment on va s'en sortir, on est au premier étage.
Oh no! When the weather turns bad, keep a steady grip on the wheel and drive slowly. Don't let the storm distract you. Thankfully, everything turned out fine.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله لسان سيل برد لسان ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
Can deserts also experience hailstorms? A strange natural phenomenon that leaves everyone wondering. Wow, this is truly an unbelievable sight. This moment is magical, as if the earth and the sky are blending in a perfect dance, creating an incredible and unimaginable combination. One side of the sky is pouring with rain, while the other side is dry as if nothing has happened. Nature truly is a master of special effects. Look at this. A rare firestorm. Flames spinning fiercely, colliding with the wind. It's like a dramatic performance between fire and wind. Have you ever witnessed something like this? sky seems to be enraged, releasing powerful lightning bolts that tear through the atmosphere.
Evet, kaç dakika oldu? Hala terlinmedi. Çok kötü oldu. Nasıl geliyor arabalar? Allah Allah Allah, kaç tane araba geliyor? Oh oh.
It feels like facing an enraged giant. You only have two options: run fast or find shelter.
Araba gitti.
A rare phenomenon appeared over Lake Michigan, leaving the cameraman wondering, is this fog or just steam? Oh no, get inside, buddy.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله لسان سيل برد.
If you think deserts are just sun and sand, take a look at this hailstorm in Saudi Arabia. Not just hail, but floods too. The staff at Arenzano had an unforgettable experience trying to hold a glass as a massive wave set the table forcefully and relentlessly. The tornado went too far, turning a shoe store in Uruguay into a 24/7 shop. Literally.